Today, I'm reviewing the Segway Navimow i110N Robot Lawn Mower. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, I'm reviewing the Segway Navimow i110N Robot Lawn Mower, a truly advanced robotic mower designed for hassle-free lawn care up to 1/4 of an acre. If you're tired of spending weekends pushing a mower or dealing with complicated wire setups, this robot mower promises to change the way you maintain your lawn with smart AI technology, wire-free operation, and app control. Design and setup. The Navimow i110N stands out with its sleek and compact design that fits comfortably into any garden space. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that require perimeter wires, the Navimow uses an innovative wire-free setup that allows you to map your lawn virtually through a smartphone app. Setup is as simple as a few taps, no digging or running wires underground. This means less installation time and no damage to your yard. You simply guide the mower using the app, and it uses AI-assisted mapping to recognize boundaries and obstacles. Advanced navigation and mapping. One of the standout features of the Navimow is its enhanced RTK positioning system combined with a vision sensor camera. This technology gives the mower centimeter-level navigation accuracy, meaning it can handle complex lawn layouts with narrow passages, tricky edges, and even areas under trees where GPS alone might struggle. The AI-powered assist mapping identifies the edges of your lawn automatically, helping the mower build an accurate map and operate seamlessly without missing spots or repeatedly covering the same area. Smart mowing performance. When it comes to mowing, the Navimow impresses with its planned mowing patterns. It covers your entire lawn methodically, changing direction after completing 100% coverage to reduce visible tracks and give your grass a clean, even cut. It also intelligently manages its battery life by returning to the charging station as needed and resuming work until the mowing task is complete. The mower's noise level is remarkably low at just 58 decibels, so it won't disturb your household or neighbors during operation. Safety and obstacle avoidance. Safety is paramount with the Navimow. It is equipped with a 140-degree field of view camera and AI algorithms capable of identifying over 150 types of common garden obstacles. This advanced vision system is a significant improvement over traditional bump sensors or ultrasonic detectors, allowing the mower to avoid obstacles with high precision and prevent damage to both your mower and garden items. Plus, the system ensures safe operation around pets, children, or unexpected objects. Multi-zone and app control features. Managing multiple lawns or garden zones is straightforward with the Navimow's multi-zone management capability. Using the intuitive app, you can assign different mowing schedules and settings for various areas of your property, tailoring the mowing routine to the unique needs of each zone. The app also offers full control over the mower, from scheduling to manual operation, and sends notifications to your phone, giving you peace of mind even when you're away from home. Package and add-ons. The package comes with everything you need to get started. The mower itself, power supply, extension cable and pegs, a charging station, GNSS antenna kit, spare blades, and user guides. An optional 4G anti-theft tracking module is also available for extra security, providing you with an added layer of protection and remote tracking. Final thoughts. In summary, the Segway Navimow i110N Robot Lawn Mower is a top-tier, smart lawn care solution for anyone looking to save time and effort while maintaining a pristine lawn. Its AI-assisted, wire-free mapping, centimeter-accurate navigation, and powerful obstacle detection set it apart in the robotic mower market. The quiet operation, multi-zone management, and app control make it a convenient and safe choice for modern homeowners. If you want a robotic mower that adapts to your garden's complexity without the hassle of wires, the Navimow i110N is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review. Be sure to check the links below if you're interested in exploring this advanced mower for your lawn care needs.